Line styles are used for multiple elements in a model. For example, when creating a sketch-based element such as a railing, the sketch line style is used for the sketch railing path. This is a system setting, and sketches will always use the sketch line style. Because system-based line styles are required for different elements in Revit, the appearance of these line styles can be modified, but they can't be deleted or renamed. In addition to the system-based line styles, you can create custom line styles matching your standards. Line styles are also used when drawing detail lines and for the boundaries of filled regions. On the Annotate tab, click Detail Line to add a detail line to the view. As you draw detail lines, set the line style from the drop-down list on the Contextual tab. You specify the boundaries of a filled region in the same way. To change the line style after the line is created, select the line in the view and change the line style on the Contextual tab. In some cases, you may need a custom line style. In the Line Styles dialog, under Modify Subcategories, click New. Enter a name for the line style and click OK. Set the line weight, color, and pattern as required. You can also create a custom line pattern. Before making the line style, click Additional Settings, Line Patterns. Line patterns are defined by a pattern of dashes, dots, and spaces. For example, the dash dot line pattern is a 1/4 inch dash, followed by a 3/16 inch space, followed by a dot, and then the pattern is completed with another 3/16 inch space. The sizes listed in the pattern definition are the printed sizes of the pattern. Click New and define a line pattern as required. Now you can select the custom line style when placing detail lines. Line styles are also used for the Line Work tool. With the Line Work tool, you can replace cut or projected lines generated by Revit objects automatically with a specific line style. For example, in an elevation, you can use the Line Work tool to change the lines in the view to improve the elevation presentation. On the Modify tab, click the Line Work tool, set the line style, and then select lines in the view to change them to the new style. Use line styles to help you achieve the graphical appearance you need in the views of your model.